Hey guys, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing good. I hope your summer is doing okay, even with all the chaos that's still happening. But here in New York, things are starting to get sort of back to normal, at least in Long Island, that's where I'm at. The city is slowly getting there. But I just figured I'd do something casual, as you can see from my hair, and just, get ready. I'm planning on going and getting some errands done. So I figured I'd get, a nice basic face on and hit the road to go and get that stuff done. But before we get into it, like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you guys can get notified when my next video comes up. And also, if you'd like to leave me a nice comment as well down there, and also say hello to me outside of YouTube. I have an Instagram. I'm going to put it right over here, and let's get into it, guys. All right, guys, so I have no idea what I'm going to be doing right now. All I know is that I'm going to start out with moisturizing. I am going to use this Sugar Rush that I got. They had this deal where you got 7 products for $63. My god sister, she sent me a DM on Instagram. She's like, girl, I think you're gonna really like this. And I got a few stuff. Unfortunately, I got too light of a color for the foundation, but I'm gonna make it work anyway. I don't know if I'm gonna use it today, but I'm gonna use this Don't Hate Hydrate oil-free moisturizer, and I'm going to put that on my face, and then I'm going to put some SPF or put something with SPF on because, girl, it's 80 degrees today. It is 80 degrees. It's so crazy. But, yeah, guys, I'm back at work, back to normal life. I've been back for the past couple weeks, and it's taken a toll out of me. This is my actual day off, and it's been so good. I slept a little bit more than I usually do, and this has been really whew, because the last 2 days and last week was oh my god, I was dying. All right, so for my face, I'm gonna use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Tinted Moisturizer. I have it in the medium color, and it is slightly dark for my face, but I push it down so that it works. And I use my hand because it's a tinted moisturizer. It's not a foundation. And, when you're on, as you can see the difference between my head and trust me, I'm gonna make it work. But when you're on the go, and you want to put on a tinted moisturizer, just slapping it on with your hands is what works. If you want to use a sponge or brush or whatever works for you, but today we're going with our hands, people. Our hands. Now watch. When I put this on my forehead and get everything looking good, it won't look like I'm an Oompa Loompa, I promise. It'll work. And I love it because it gives me that bronze that I still don't have, that I wish I did already. But yeah, and then we'll put a little bit of concealer. I don't think I want to put too much stuff on today. And see? So much better already, right? So much better already. All right, let's go. Oh, I need to clean my hands. So for my concealer, I'm going to use the Revlon Candid Antioxidant Concealer. It has caffeine in this, and my eyes need some caffeine. I mean, I have some attempted iced coffee that I made today. It's not the best. I need to get better. If you guys have any suggestions on how to make some nice iced coffee, send me a comment down below, or also, DM me on Instagram, because I would love to try to make some really nice iced coffee for myself so I don't need to spend the money when I go to work. Also, I need the effort to try and actually attempt to do that before going to work. Maybe I'll do it like like the date before, because iced coffee, you know, put in the fridge and you're good to go. But I need the effort of trying to do it. All right. Well, let's get on with some convo. So I have been going back to work, but during quarantine, when my job was shut down and I couldn't work, and since it was technically not considered an essential job, although some people could say that I should have been, but to be honest, guys, it was a nice time off. You know, it brought me here doing this and finally pursuing my dream in, you know, getting over that hump of insecurity that to do these videos. And I'm so glad that I did, because it showed me something that I wish I had started years ago. But I feel like it was the right time that I started now, because, you know, my husband has his camera, and just overall I feel like it was just right timing. My age, I was so young and so insecure. I mean, who isn't still a little bit insecure? But I feel like I'm more confident than I was a couple of years ago, even though I'm kind of late on the train to do this stuff. But better late than never, right? So I also have been like watching a bunch of shows. Let me find something to at least set this concealer. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild pressed powder in Warm Light. I love this for this is the first, oh my god, I don't know if you're gonna see it, but it's the first product that I've hit pan. It's insane. Like, I was so proud of myself, because, you know, I try to use my products, but, you know, with work and stuff, I can only use it like in the weekends and stuff, because nobody wants to be grooming a dog, getting getting hair all over your face, where it's like pricky and splintery all over your face with makeup on. I'm sorry. There was one day I did a video though, and I had to go straight to work, and I was just like, I'll just leave the makeup on. Worst decision I made. I washed my face so quick when I got home. I was like, I need this off. I mean, it looked nice, but I was like, no. I'm not doing that again. Even though, like, I love to, like, look beautiful and stuff, but it just sucks that, you know. Let me put on some blush. I'm gonna use this LA Girl Velvet Blush in Velour. I'm gonna put some in my hand and make it a little bit more. Where is that? Oh, here's the brush. I'm gonna put this on my face. But yeah, guys, I watched so many shows during the time that I wasn't at work. I watched Avatar. Tell me down below, who was into Avatar: The Last Airbender, the cartoon, not the movie, because I've heard the movie was not the greatest. Tell me who was into it back in the day, and if you watched it and what you thought of it. Just, you know, let me know, because, oh my god, let me say, and I know there might be controversy, maybe not, because everyone had the same ideas on Game of Thrones and how things ended. I will tell you that I'm not going to spoil anything, but the way that Avatar was towards the end, they did a flawless job compared to how they ended things in Game of Thrones. Like, me and my husband, we were watching it and we're like, wow, a cartoon from years ago did a better job than a really high rated series from HBO did better than, like, what? It was insane. But I really liked it. And apparently that Netflix is gonna come out with a series, like, recreating it. I really do hope they do better than whatever the movie. I did not watch the movie, but from what I've heard, I don't think I want to anyway. All right, so I might be doing a little bit more than I thought I would, guys, but you know what? I only put on makeup a couple times during the week, especially now with working. I'm using my regular Wet n Wild bronzer that you all know if you've watched my videos. If not, go watch them, guys. Go watch my videos. I'm not gonna do anything like too crazy. This beautiful thing right here, I don't know if you're gonna be, this beautiful thing right here is from Physicians Formula with Whaley Hong. I'm gonna say it wrong. I'm sorry, sweetie. But hold on. Wiley Hong. I hope it's Hong. She did a collaboration with Physicians Formula. This is her beautiful face right here. And guys, do you see this? Like, let me see if I can. Do you see? Look at that. That is, this one has like, it's champagne with some gold flecks in it. It's oh my God, it's beautiful. But I'm gonna grab some of this. I want to put this Sunset bronzer over the bronzer I have on right now. All right, back into the conversation. Besides Avatar, guys, I watched, what was that? Oh, Money Heist. I just finished Money Heist. And oh my God, it was so good. I watched the documentary too. If you haven't watched the if you watched the show and you haven't watched the documentary, watch the documentary. It was really cool, really interesting. I really enjoyed it. But yeah, dude, that's insane. It's very like, it's like a mixture of a telenovela and like a regular series in one. I'm Brazilian, so I'm used to novelas, but like it has like that passion and drama like a novela, but it's very action because, you know, of all the stuff that happens. I'm not going to spoil anything for you guys, but in the name in English, it's Money Heist, you know, it's a heist to get money. But in Spanish and in Portuguese, it's Casa de Papel or Casa de Papel, which also kind of makes sense. But in English, I spoke to somebody about this. I was like, it doesn't make so much sense in English. House of Paper, you know? I mean, I guess, I don't know. All right, so I want to get into, Wildflower, this blush over here. It's kind of, compared to this one up here, it's more like mauve-y, more bronzier. And I'm going for that right now. I'm going to put it over top. I want to make it look like I just came from the beach and I got some nice color. I'm into that right now. Until I get color, I'm going to fake it. Or wait, no, enhance it. All right, and then since I'm like kind of bronze and I'm doing a bronze look, I'm going to put some, let me find my highlighting brush, brush. Guys, I don't know, some stuff I'm saying today is crazy. I'm going to use Golden Hour because that's what we're going for, girls. We're going for Golden Hour. I don't know if it's really, really pretty. But I'm going to put some Golden Hour. Oh, yeah. And I'm doing it very slightly because, I mean, at least with this tinted moisturizer, since my face is a little bit more bronzed, I could pull it off. But in my winter skin, my light pasty winter skin, I would not be able to pull this off at all. Put some on the nose. I know this might be too much for every day, but listen, guys, you can use mix and match, or like take out something that I use today and use certain, like only a certain amount of things that I use today. But I just want to, you know, I want to have fun with makeup, you know. I won't be using mascara today because I have naturally long lashes, and sometimes like I feel like putting on mascara, I feel like that's something that, like, if I'm putting the effort and I'm going somewhere really nice. Also, I don't want to really do much for my brows, so I'm gonna grab the Benefit 24-hour brow setter, and I'm gonna put some of that product on my brows and then just brush them. Yeah, because my brows are like super thick. I mean, I always love to have like a nice, get rid of some of those sparse areas. I have a lot like towards the end of my brows, but I want to pull off like a nice natural look, natural beauty of my brows. And
to put on my lips 'cause it is over. We're almost at the end of this video.
I'm gonna put, gotta open this so I can see all my lip products, guys. Alright, I'm gonna put on, I know it sounds like I'm putting like a lot of Physicians Formula, but I'm gonna use this Physicians Formula the Healthy Lip in the color Bear With Me, which you guys are definitely doing that with me right now, because listen guys, this is my first Get Ready With Me, and let me know what topics you want me to discuss on the next one, or what do you want me to talk about? Alright guys, so this is it. I'm gonna be very quick with my outro because I had a little malfunction. Luckily, I hope I got the end of some of this footage because my camera's like, oh, too hot, gotta cool down, bye. And it's like, no, I need to finish. But this is it, guys. I put like a liquid lipstick. It is gonna dry. Right now in New York, we're still needing to put on a mask. So I don't know how this is all gonna look, but I'm doing it for myself. Do it for yourself. I got mail. Do this for yourself. Make yourself feel beautiful, and you'll be great, guys. So I will see you on the next one, but like this video and subscribe and ring the bell so that you can see more of my stuff. But I'm looking forward to seeing you guys next time. All right, so we'll see you. Bye.